Hi there, students. To mince words, or more commonly, not to mince words. This is an idiomatic expression, meaning to speak bluntly and directly, to say exactly what you think, without using soft words, without regard for other people's feelings. So, you want to know what I think? Well, I won't mince words. It's absolute rubbish. It's terrible. So, not to mince words, to say directly what you think. To be plain spoken, straightforward, direct, blunt. It's usually used in the negative, yeah? I won't mince my words. So if I say I'm not going to mince my words, I'm saying be careful, because what I'm about to say is not very complimentary and it may upset some of the people who are listening. You don't always use it in the negative words. He always minces his words and never says directly what he thinks. The British are always mincing their words, and it's very difficult to know exactly what they mean. So I think the most common phrase in English is I won't mince my words, or I won't mince words. Notice you can put a possessive between the mince and the words, but it's not necessary. You can, it's up to you. They minced their words. They minced words. Okay? So a possessive is perfectly possible there. So to mince. What is to mince? To mince is to cut up into small pieces, especially food. If you want to make a hamburger, you need to mince beef, for example. A hamburger is made of minced beef. So to cut up into fine pieces so that it's easier for people to digest. So, not to mince words, to speak candidly and directly, especially when giving criticism. Tell me what you think and don't mince your words. Tell me directly. Your dad really doesn't mince words. I didn't realise how strongly he felt about it. This is like the idiom to call a spade a spade. If you don't mince your words, you call a spade a spade. The boss doesn't like people who mince their words. I won't mince my words. No, you cannot borrow my car. Okay, so to say it directly. So next question, formality. I think I would give this probably a 4 in formality. I think I would only use it in spoken English. You could write it in something informal as well. But for something semi-formal or formal with formal writing, I think plain speaking, to say what you think, to be direct or to be blunt. And as to the origin, well, mince comes from the French word mincer, which comes from Latin minutia, smallness, small pieces. So I guess you're cutting your words into small digestible pieces so that people don't get indigestion and don't get upset. So don't mince your words. Speak directly, say exactly what you think and don't beat around the bush. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Not mince words.